everyone, I'm Maxwell. Today I'm going to show you how to make an experiment with volcano. So I have dishwasher liquid, some baking soda, some food coloring, some water, and some vinegar. So then I have to take some of the baking soda. Now I have to put some dishwasher liquid. Now I have to put some food coloring. Now I have to put some water in. Now I have to stir it. Look, the coloring is become orange. Now I had to put the vinegar into the volcano. Look, it's erupting. Thank you.
We live on the Earth. The Earth is actually not a big solid rock. Let's take a look inside our Earth and see what does it make of. The surface we live on is a thin crust of solid rock that is only about 30 km thick. The ocean is seawater resting on top of the crust held by the Earth's gravity force. Under the surface, we have different layers. The next layer, the mantle, is a layer of hot melted liquid rock called magma. The inner core and the outer core are solid iron surrounded by the magma. Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's surface. When they are active, they shoot out ash and gas. They also shoot out magma, the hot liquid rock. When the magma comes out of the volcano, it is known as lava. The ash and gas shot out by the volcano is very poisonous. It can kill human, animal, and crops. Lava is very hot and dangerous. On the flat land, it flows slowly, but it will destroy anything that stands in the way. When lava flows into the sea, it cools off and forms new land. The well-known Hawaii Islands are formed by lava. On the island, we can see the dead volcano that used to be active many years ago. After lava cools off and breaks down, it becomes very fertile soils on the earth. As example, Baldy has fertile volcanic soil and the farmer can produce many foods such as paddy, coffee, peanut and corn. If you would like to know how these ingredients work together to produce the lava, please subscribe to my channel. My next video will explain how this works. Saves the better things next. Ha ha ha.
Thank you for watching this video. This video uses the 4M Science Experiment Kit, which includes 30 science experiments for young children 8 to 12 years old. If you are interested, please support our channel by visiting the link in the description.